When you start working with tags, a situation can arise that may seem confusing at first. This video will help you recognise it and walk through a solution. The basic scenario is this. The white scene should play when the venue is open. However, there's also an override requirement. The lights must be set to white regardless of opening times. To handle this, we need a status tag set containing normal and override tags. If the tags are configured this way, when the opening state is open and the status is either normal or override, the white scene will be activated. This isn't the intended behaviour. The solution is simple. Duplicate the white scene to create a normal white scene and an override white scene, and tag each one accordingly. Making a new scene only takes a moment, and it keeps the programming easy to follow. In short, when a similar scene needs to be recalled for different combinations of tags, dedicated scenes for each situation will make programming considerably easier to set up and maintain. Here's another example where duplicating a scene helps to keep the programming simple. The design specification sets out the following requirements. The default lighting should be white from sunset through to sunrise. On certain days, one of 4 specific scenes can be scheduled to play between 9 in the evening and 1 in the morning, and it should always be possible to override the system to all white or off. The core requirements can be achieved using a 24-hour rhythm tag set with a default white scene assigned to dusk and night that plays every day. The override is handled by creating a dedicated tag set alongside an additional override white scene. In the project file, scenes are tagged like this, with combinations that are easy to read and understand. When working with tags, it's worth considering whether duplicate scenes should be created for specific states, rather than attempting to reuse a single scene across multiple tag combinations. In simulation, we can verify that tag and scene programming works as expected, and that the lights stay on during an override.